Hello Noosa, on this video you will see our amazing car detailer Nolan using the foam gun to apply foam on this BMW. Besides being very satisfying to watch, this process is very important. This highly specialized product is such an important part of getting the best results. We use the foam gun in all our details and especially as a first step before decontaminating your paint and do a paint correction to then apply a ceramic coating. This foam process is very important to start breaking down all the debris and dirt sticking to your vehicle. If you are in Noosa on the Sunshine Coast of Queensland, give us a call for all your car detailing needs. You will find all our details in the description of this video. Give us a call now or send us an email and we will be able to discuss with you what the best service would be in terms of detailing your car.